going to show you how to multiply 62 by 44. So step one, just like adding, you start in the right column. This is the ones column. Here you start at the bottom. You take the first number here, 4, and you multiply it by 2. 4 times 2 is 8, and you put the 8 there. And then you have to cross over. 4 times 6 is 24. Now we need to attack this number. Because you're dealing with tens, you put a 0 here. 4 times 2, again, is 8. 4 times 6 is 24. When you put the two numbers there, you need to find the sum. So it becomes a simple adding question. Now I'm going to do one that's a little bit trickier, because that one was very basic. So let's get a little bit harder. 16 multiplied by 35. Okay. So step one, start again with the 5, right? 5 times 6 is 30. So you put the 0 here. And now, just like in adding, you have to carry the 3. 5 times 1 is 5. And then you add the 3. So it's 8, yes. Because we're dealing with tens, we automatically put a 0 here. 3 times 6 is 18. You should cross this out so it doesn't get confusing. You carry the 1 because it's 18. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. And then you add them. 0, 16, carry the 1, 5. Okay, so I'm going to give you another example. Okay, let's do 300. Yes.
So before you multiply below the 80 of that one, then you can also just cross out the 6 and the 5 and the 5 and the 1 to know that you already multiplied that.
You could do that. But if you do that, then there's a lot of crossing out. If you understand multiplication, you won't have to do that. Okay? That's our goal today, is to practice it so much that we understand multiplication. Okay. So now let's look at 348 multiplied by 57. So now we have hundreds here. So it's going to change our way of doing this only slightly. Step one, you start with the 7 here. 7 times 8 is 56. Carry the 5. So now you cross over. 7 times 4, 28. Plus 5, 33. And then you carry the 3, and then you do another crossover. 7 times 3 is 21. Plus 3 is 24. Put the 0 here because now you're dealing with tens. 5 times 8 is 40. Carry the 4. 5 times 4 is 20. Plus 4 is 24. So you put the 4 here. Carry the 2. 5 times 3 is 15. Plus 2 is 17. You find the sum. And that's how you multiply numbers. Now, even if you had to multiply 3 numbers down here, it still follows the same pattern. Okay?